Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to fix fence and dark war survival. For today's tutorial, let's talk about how to fix fences and dark war survival. If your fences keep breaking and zombies are getting too close for comfort, don't worry. There's actually a system that handles this for you. In the game, fences can be repaired manually. Instead, repairs happen automatically over time, especially when heroes are assigned to guard the city gate. These heroes have attributes that boost fence maintenance efficiency, keeping your base secure even after zombie attacks. To strengthen your defenses, focus on upgrading your city gate and watchtower. The city gate serves as your main defense barrier, and upgrading the watchtower automatically improves both the gate and defenses. As you level up, their durability increases, making them more resilient to enemy waves. Remember, heroes stationed at the gate help trigger automatic repairs, so make sure you assign them strategically. Regular upgrades and smart hero placement will ensure your walls stay strong and your city stays safe against the undead. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.